Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and well, if you might recall, recently on my Instagram, I did a post talking about the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundations, and a lot of you came back and told me that Prachi, I want a review, I want the swatches, because yes, these foundations do look interesting. So yes, that's what I'll be talking about today. I'll be reviewing, I'll be swatching, I'll be trying them on my face, and sharing my own views on these foundations with you guys. So just keep watching this video to find out. The L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundations come in a wide range of shades. I have with me 8 shades here which I'll be swatching today. Talking about the packaging, well, it's a nice, chic, sleek packaging which looks very handy, also extremely lightweight, so you can totally carry it around. And talking about the price, well, it's priced at rupees 750. I'll put all the e-commerce links in the description box below so you can check it out. The product has a demi-matte finish. What is a demi-matte finish? Well, a demi-matte finish is not entirely matte and it's not entirely dewy or glowy. It's somewhere in the middle of the two. So it gives you a more natural finish, a more natural looking skin. Apart from the demi-matte finish, it claims to wear for up to 24 hours. Now 24 hours is a really long time and I'm very excited to find this out about the foundation, because for people who are looking for long stay foundation, people who don't have time for touch-ups or the patience for touch-ups, a 24-hour long stay foundation can be such a great thing, right? Apart from that, it claims to give you medium coverage and has an air-light texture. The product is designed for oil controlled. It's also dermatologically tested, designed to be suitable for sensitive skin as well, and non-comedogenic. So I've not exactly used this foundation on my face or swatched them, but I did try out one of these foundations on my hand when I got this box because I was really excited to try it out. And here's what I have noticed so far. So first of all, the foundation, well, it's extremely breathable and so easy to blend. So even if you're somebody who's very new to wearing makeup, or if you're just somebody who doesn't like to work too hard with your makeup, this foundation is very easy to work with. Also, as you can see over here, it's completely smudge proof, absolutely smudge proof, even transfer proof for that matter. One more thing that I want to test out this foundation for is, well, you know, it is a monsoon season here already. It's raining every day in Bangalore, and you definitely want to know how it holds up to rain and water, right? So if you squeeze a little bit of water on the foundation, there is no running off the color. So I personally think this is such a great advantage. Now moving to the swatches, first we have 101 Classic Ivory, then we have 102 Shell Beige, followed by 103 Natural Buff, next is 104 Golden Beige, 105 Natural Beige, 106 Sun Beige, 107 Fresh Beige, and 108 Caramel Beige. And here's another look of all the foundation shades I've just swatched. Here is how it looks. Apart from that, there are 2 more shades listed on Nykaa. One is 109 Classic Tan, and then there is 110 Creme Cafe. And now time for the moment of truth. I'm going to apply this on my face and see how this thing actually works on my skin. So the shade that I've picked up for myself is 105 Natural Beige, because this seems to be closest to my facial skin color. The skin color on my hand and my face is like very different, okay? So just going to take a little bit at the back of my hand. Now I know a lot of people prefer taking their foundation directly on the beauty blender because it avoids wastage and all of those things. I just can't work it out with that. So, you know, whatever way works for you. I'm just applying a little bit of foundation. We'll see how much more build-up is required later. I just feel like, you know, since I'm trying it out for the first time, I'm going to take just a little bit and see the coverage as well. Blend. So like I mentioned in the beginning also, as you can see, it blends very fast. It's very easy to work with actually. You see that? So smooth. do now is I'm gonna actually do a complete makeup, not a very detailed makeup, just lipstick and eyeliner because I'm already wearing foundation, so why not? And I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Paris Lip Paint Matte. The shade here is 205 Apocalypse Red, and it's such a beautiful color. For some reason, this color just works really well with this top. If you have seen me wearing this top before, you'll notice that I'm always wearing the same shade of red lip color, which is actually this one. So I'm and here it is, guys, the final look. Sorry, I just skipped ahead the whole thing because nobody wants to watch the whole makeup routine for a foundation review. Regardless, I'll put the links for whatever I'm using in today's video in the description box below. And here's the final look. And going back to the foundation, guys, it is completely set and it's so amazing. When I was applying the foundation, if you notice, I'll just show you this clip again. Did you see how beautifully and how fast it was blending? The formula is so lightweight, it looks so natural, it just gives you such a flawless finish. It's got this effect, this look of a really expensive foundation with a very good coverage. It says on the packaging that the coverage is medium, but I personally feel that the coverage is definitely more than medium. It's medium to high or high coverage foundation, and it can give you a beautiful finish. Now the only thing I want to really know is whether it lasts for 24 hours or not, because 24 hours is a very long time. So just keep watching this video, guys, because I think the best is yet to come. We'll definitely find out whether it's a 24-hour long stay foundation or not. Alright guys, time for an 8-hour update. It's been about 8 hours since I put on the foundation. As you can see, there is absolutely no visible difference. It's very much intact, nothing has changed, no change whatsoever. And by the way, guys, one thing I forgot to mention initially, I was not wearing any primer. I had just cleaned and moisturized my face, that's all. So there was no primer. This is how the foundation is in itself. And here is how the swatch is on my hand. So even these are completely intact as of now. Okay, so here's time for a 16-hour update. I personally don't see any difference at all. So guys, it's time for me to go to bed and I have to remove the foundation from my face, but I'm gonna just keep this thing on for 8 more hours to see if it actually lasts for 24 hours. As of now, it definitely looks like it could, because hello, look at this, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of oil-based makeup remover and remove this foundation. I think this will also be a great test to know how the foundation actually removes. Because it's a long stay makeup, it's a very important concern as well. Okay, it's easy to remove. You see that? Alright guys, good morning. How did you sleep last night and why am I talking like this? Well, I slept really well, except that at night, I kept waking up to check the swatches on my hands. So let me quickly show you how the swatches are looking after 24 hours. So as you can see, the swatches are still pretty much intact except for slight chipping on the side on this one. I think it's probably because of all the rubbing against the pillows. It's so amazing. It's feathery light. It's easy to work with, it's breathable, it has this amazing natural texture, so why not? And most importantly, it lasts, right? So guys, I'll definitely put all the links in the description box below, because I know a lot of you will want to know more about this foundation. You can check the links. And of course, I was actually going through the reviews online after trying out this foundation yesterday, after removing the foundation at night just before sleeping. I was going through the reviews. So yes, this foundation definitely has some very good reviews on various e-commerce websites as well, so you can totally check those out. And on that note, I'm gonna end this really long video now. I hope you found this video useful. You got all your answers for this foundation, and if you still have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below what your questions are. I'll try my best to get back to you and help you with your queries. And in the meanwhile, also don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Wow Style for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye.